BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachiti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 133 of season 3. Today's word is lacklustre. Do you know what it means? It means dull, boring, not exciting, without energy, lacking conviction or uninspiring. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word lacklustre. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Lacklustre is spelled as L-A-C-K-L-U-S-T-R-E. The word lacklustre means something which is not exciting or without energy. For example, the business leader gave such lackluster speech that the audience was disappointed. Listen carefully how we can use the word lackluster in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The IT industry needed a large number of software programmers, but a severe shortage of skilled manpower resulted in lackluster growth in business for the industry for some time. Example number 2 of 8. The rising prices of fuel resulted in lackluster sales of vehicles. This prompted the car and bike dealers to announce innovative discount schemes to attract the customers. Example number 3 of 8. The corporator visited his village since the elections were approaching. He was surrounded by the locals and criticized for the lackluster performance during his previous tenure. Moving on to example number 4 of 8. The newly launched amusement park advertised heavily in print and digital media, but the location of the park was not easily accessible, means it was difficult to reach there, and therefore the response to the same was lackluster. Do you know, when you speak English fluently and confidently, it opens new career opportunities, enhances your confidence, builds your socializing skills, and helps you become a global citizen. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The town frequented by tourists faced an outbreak of a virus and several citizens took ill. This affected the flow of incoming tourists and it resulted in lackluster profits for the local hotels. Example number 6 of 8. Vivian could not score many runs in last 3 matches. As a result of his lackluster batting, he was dropped from the team by the selection committee. Let us understand example number 7 of 8. There were reports that the battery of a cell phone caught fire. This acted as a negative publicity for the company, and demand for its products in the last quarter has been lackluster. Example number 8 of 8. The directors were concerned about the lackluster financial performance of their company. They decided to appoint a consultant who will prepare a strategy to stimulate the growth of the business. Today we learnt the word lackluster, which means dull, boring, not exciting, without energy, lacking conviction or uninspiring. Can you frame 3 sentences with lackluster and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to enrich your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 133 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be uploading one vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.